Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a custom thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. Want to create a custom thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts? In this video, I'll show you how to design and set a custom thumbnail for Shorts using your phone or PC. Now, a lot of these steps I'm not gonna do since I'm using my Android device only, but if you follow my instructions exactly as I tell them, you're gonna be able to design your thumbnail and upload it for your YouTube Shorts. Now let's start by following these few simple steps. The first step is to design your thumbnail. And to design your thumbnail, use free apps like Canva, PixArt, or Adobe Express to create a 2018 multiplied by 720. That means a 16:9 ratio thumbnail. And after you design them, add bold text, high contrast images, and an eye-catching background. As for the second step, is to upload a custom thumbnail, and this works on PC. And to do that, just go to YouTube Studio on a web browser and click Content, and after that select your Shorts video and scroll down to the thumbnail and click Upload Thumbnail. After that, choose your custom image, and that's it. As for the third step, is to upload the custom thumbnail, and this method works on mobile. Just download the YouTube Studio app. Let's try and look for it in the Play Store. Just go to Play Store and search for YouTube Studio. See here, select it for the options. Now just click on install and install it. After you finish installing it, open the YouTube Studio and tap on your Shorts video, then tap edit and click on custom thumbnail. After that, upload your designed thumbnail and save changes. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to create and upload custom thumbnails for YouTube Shorts. Use this to boost clicks and attract more views. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.